Brain is like language, mind is like meaning. Because we can't directly take abstract qualities like yes, no, difference, color, beauty, feeling, and communicate with each other. We use different words for this, which we can take to one another's mind in the form of sound. Brain is the language through which conscious communicate with our soul. Science tells that we know the mind because of our brain. But the thing is that we can't know the universe without our mind. If also there exists a universe like that, we do not know do not know that universe. We only know our mind. So there does not exist any meaning for communication with such a world. We can say that physical force which goes on between matter in the disciplines of physics, chemistry, and biology comes from the other world. But we don't know if physical force really exists. It is just like we can't read another person's mind. We can't read the mind of molecule, atom, or organs. We can say that mind comes from the other world. But if we know such a world, now that world becomes part of our mind. So everything is inside our mind and nothing outside. If we say that mind comes from brain, mind comes from brain, we are saying that mind comes from itself because all the qualities we know about brain is part of our mind. What if the qualities which we know in our mind exist outside our mind also and are making the mind? If these qualities exist outside the mind, what will be the form of its existence? Can we imagine the space without anybody, including itself, not knowing that it is not known by anybody, but it exists in an effect? There are abstract qualities which we imagine to exist. For example, matter which is making the mind. Matter we imagine to exist because of our senses like touch, vision, etc. We imagine that matter is something. Does this matter which is existing outside our mind is making the mind? If we subtract all the qualities which we know through our senses like touch, vision, etc., and if we include only those qualities like its characteristics on space and time, etc., can it explain the making of mind? Such a matter, if making the mind, is like a soul which makes the mind and also know that. Brain already is known to know and interpret the impulses. Therefore, it is considered to be a soul. Brain is a soul which is told to be affected by things we imagine like energy acting on it. We can't know what is energy is. It is only an imaginary thing which is told to affect the conditions of matter. Even though we can feel it, for example, while we stand on waves. Do the qualities which we know through our senses, which we call the matter, make the mind? This is the view of science. It says that the qualities which we know through our mind make the mind and also know that. For example, the charge which make the sodium and potassium to attract. The brain is showing these qualities which are the mind. It is showing the charge. This knowledge of charge is part of our mind. This knowledge of charge which the mind is showing may not be making the mind, or it may be making the mind. The charge may be existing and showing charge to it. It may be the producer and knower of the same thing called charge. Charge producing and knowing itself. We know nothing more of charge. We call two things oppositively charged and we say that it attracts the other particle. It makes itself and knows itself. It makes itself understand that it should grow closer to the other charged particle. Space and time which exist inside our mind produces itself and know the same. On the way, it also know the story of charged particles. What if the brain, which makes the mind, does not show these properties like color, difference, existence, temperature, etc., and if it simply exists as these qualities? What if these qualities is not shown by something and if it exists independently? These things making the mind mean these things knowing it. All these things which exist independently may be the maker and knower of it. For example, there should be some color area existing inside our brain which is the maker and knower of it. It can be the maker also and also be the knower.